all things related to management, empowerment and business. Today, we want to dive into the topic of building an agile workplace, implementing the new techniques of agile working through delivering business process changes and working practices. Agile working is a concept that has gained popularity in recent years as organizations seek to become more flexible and responsive to market changes. It involves breaking down traditional hierarchies and structures, and instead focusing on collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. One of the key aspects of building an agile workplace is fostering a culture of trust and empowerment. This means giving employees the autonomy to make decisions and take ownership of their work. It also involves creating an environment where failure is seen as a learning opportunity, rather than a reason for punishment. Another important element of agile working is implementing agile methodologies, such as Scrum or Kanban, which help teams to prioritize and manage their work more effectively. These methodologies emphasize iterative and incremental delivery, allowing teams to quickly adapt to changing requirements and deliver value to customers more frequently. In addition to adopting agile methodologies, organizations can also benefit from implementing agile working practices, such as cross-functional teams, co-location, and regular feedback loops. Cross-functional teams bring together individuals with diverse skills and perspectives, enabling them to work together more effectively and deliver better results. Co-location, or physically co-locating team members in the same workspace, promotes better communication and collaboration. Regular feedback loops, such as daily stand-up meetings or retrospectives, provide opportunities for teams to reflect on their work and identify areas for improvement. Building an agile workplace requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. It involves breaking down silos, promoting collaboration, and embracing change. By implementing the principles and practices of agile working, organizations can become more adaptable, innovative, and successful in today's fast-paced business environment. Agile working is a way of working that allows individuals and teams to be flexible, responsive, and collaborative. It challenges traditional hierarchical structures and encourages autonomy, empowerment, and accountability. To build an agile workplace, organizations must first foster a mindset that values and embraces change. This means encouraging employees to be open to new ideas, experiment, and learn from failures. It also requires leaders to support and promote a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Breaking down silos is another crucial aspect of building an agile workplace. Silos can hinder communication, collaboration, and innovation. Organizations should encourage cross-functional teams and promote knowledge sharing across departments. This can be achieved through regular team meetings, shared workspaces, and open communication channels. Promoting collaboration is also essential in an agile workplace. This involves creating an environment where individuals feel comfortable sharing ideas, seeking feedback, and working together towards common goals. Collaboration tools and technologies can facilitate this process, allowing teams to work together regardless of location or time zone. Embracing change is a fundamental principle of agile working. Organizations need to be willing to adapt and evolve in response to changing market conditions and customer needs. This requires a flexible and iterative approach to problem solving, where teams continuously test and refine their solutions based on feedback and data. Implementing agile working practices involves adopting frameworks such as Scrum or Kanban, which provide a structured approach to managing projects and tasks. These frameworks emphasize transparency, prioritization, and incremental delivery. They also promote regular reflection and adaptation, allowing teams to continuously improve their processes and outcomes. By building an agile workplace, organizations can become more adaptable and responsive to changing market dynamics. They can foster a culture of innovation and creativity, where employees are empowered to take risks and experiment. This, in turn, can lead to increased productivity, improved customer satisfaction, and ultimately, business success in today's fast-paced and competitive environment.